contributed to the professional development of educators and to the advancement of quality technical vocational education in the province. Given this 27th day of February 2026,
learners contextualizing based on what you have seen, what you have observed, aligned to the standards, and practical application. Dili kayo mag-bukis-bukis lang pa. That is what we mean by contextualization. So, it is expected, because we have this training already, it is expected from you that you need to transfer what you have learned in this training. Transfer and apply. And my role is to monitor how you carry out the learning competencies, how you adapt or how you implement the competencies, not only in TESDA but also in DepEd. I was very happy, sir. It's my first time that to hear kanang imong passion ba nga you did without the support, without accepting the challenge kay Randy Bright Tulaga. Kaya sir, dili yun na matukid. Dili matukid ang akong pagpasalamat sa inyong lami mo ko ang training ngayong ani. Kana bitaw na initiate hands-on activity. Hands-on activity. That is why nindot tayo. Ingon din ang top management. Asa din ka ng training din. At dito sa Batman, kanang dito sa may basakan, may kalubingan. So, this is why kaliyo ko dami ng mga tuwan. Sige lang, ma'am.
Internet o tanang mga tubig o tanang nga mga pang-consume. Makailang po kayo ko. Salamat guys. Salamat po.
Oy, kanang bitaw. Seryoso mo, balik mo 18 ha.
Okay, sir.
Balik bitaw. Dayon
Kipintans lang sa ako.
Smile.
Hindi tanda kay naman din si Sir Neling. Ano po siya pagikan nga
Up during our training.
My principal for coming here.
So with that, managing run
ang 2026 at Tukuran Teknikal, Tukuran sa Buanga del Sur.
Goldfish.
of course, I have my token.
Is awarded to Angeli Arpation, Arsenal. Participation is awarded to Evelyn M. Certificate of participation is awarded to Rachel D. Isay.
Spawning of catfish. And
Certificate is awarded to Sir Dorothy. The same certificate is awarded to Ma'am Julie May P.
Piliin lang niya. Halda ko ka imong naus.
multiple choice na naman.
The same certificate is awarded. And the last but not the least, certificate.
Though I have the passion to have
Ang pagdako. Muna ang challenges. Kanag yung application sa itong sponsor, no? Itong yung ma'am, no? So ako siya, ako ang future is, no? Kay
Salute to our education program supervisor, Ma'am Kuran, Ma'am Julie, and Ma'am Facilitator from Fresh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
sunan na talaga. Shout out ni Ma'am Julian Kelly. Sobrad, mana ka? Mana?